Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Other video එක මම සිංහලිනුයි English වලිනුයි දෙකෙන්ම තමයි කරන්නේ. I am going to show you guys how you could achieve this look right here using these 5 products from Ceylon. Make a offer එකක් ඔයගලන්ට online ගිහිල්ලා ගන්න පුළුවන්. It's available exclusively at ceylon.com, and usually these products would amount to over 14,000 rupees, but thanks to the offer you can purchase all these products as a bundle for 8,000 rupees. මම පළවෙනියට පාවිච්චි කරන product එක තමයි Ceylon එකේ color supplement එක. Make a foundation විදියට පාවිච්චි කරන්න පුළුවන්, concealer විදියටත් පාවිච්චි කරන්න පුළුවන්. This product can be used as a foundation or a concealer. I'm gonna dot this product all over the face, and then I'm gonna use a brush and blend it. You can use your fingers or a beauty blender as well, whichever tool works better for you. Mama make a eyeshadow primer එකක් විදියටත් පාවිච්චි කරනවා eyelids වල. Eyeshadow apply කරන්න ඉස්සෙල්ලා. And also I am using this as a concealer. It's a very lightweight product and it sets into a very nice matte finish, so it is not necessary that you set it with a powder, but you can do so if you want to. The next product I am using is their eyeshadow palette in A. First I am using the darkest color in the palette and applying it to the outer corner of my eyelid. ඊට පස්සේ eyelid එකට මම මේ විදියට තියෙන copper shade එක තමයි apply කරන්නේ. ඊට පස්සේ මට ඕනේ මේ මගේ ඇහැ ටිකක් smoke out කරලා smoky look එකක් ගේන්න. ඒකට මම Ceylon Almond Kajal eyeliner එක තමයි පාවිච්චි කරන්නේ. ඒක කරන්න නිකම් basic විදියට eyeliner එකක් අඳිනවා. It's not a wing liner or anything, it's just a basic eyeliner. And then I'm going to use the brush that comes with the palette, and I am going to smudge the eyeliner. It gives you a really nice smoky effect, which I personally really like. And then I am going to line my waterline, and again I'm going to go in with the darkest shade in the palette, and I am going to apply it to the lower lash line. ඊට පස්සේ product එක තමයි blush. මේ blush එක number 6 blush එක. ඒක ගොඩක් subtle blush එකක්. ඒ වුණාට ඒකේ shimmer උත් තියෙනවා. එතකොට ලස්සන පොඩි glow එකකුත් එනවා. ඊට පස්සේ lipstick එක Ceylon Plum කියන shade එක. It's a really nice cream finish, but a small tip for you guys: if you want to turn your cream lipsticks into a matte finish, you can apply some eyeshadow වලින් ඔයගලන්ට cream lipstick එකකට eyeshadow දාමහම matte finish එකක් ගන්න පුළුවන්. මේක තමයි final look එක. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. All the products and all the details will be mentioned down below in the description box, so be sure to check it out.